Wait, leave me back. Get your ass off of me. What is you doing? Get your ass off of me.
Sometimes I be so disappointed in officers. You have tasers specifically for this reason. It don't got to be a dick type situation where you got to pull out the real thing. But this situation, I would have loved to see her get the zappery. Less yappery, more zappery is all I'm saying. That's our new catchphrase. Shirt's gonna get made coming on the way. Less yappery, more zappery. Yo, what's poppin'? GE gang, it's your boy Future, but we are back with another banger reaction video, baby. How my people doing today? How my people doing today? Sorry for a little bit of the smacking. Best things, peach rings, fire. I love peach rings. I don't eat them that often, but I had a sweet tooth, so I had to give me some peach rings. Shout out to 7-11 of them. You know what I'm saying? But how my people doing today, man? I'm not going to hold you guys up. We're going to get straight into the action. Jackson, whatever video we got, which is Uber driver attacks the whole police department. The whole police? Uber? Say less. But first, we got to tap into my people's meeps. Tap down the comment section. 1 through 10. Let me know where your meeps are today. Mine, I'm at a 9.001. Okay? That's where I'm at. Drop down in the comment section how you doing mentally, emotionally, energetically, physically, psychologically, and most importantly, spiritually. And listen, I got the meep shirts, right? Or not the meep shirts, the other sweatshirts. The manufacturer hit me up because it should have been here like a month ago. Like, she told me that it's going through customs. It's been in customs the whole time. They've opened up every box, and they're going through the product still. And so I saw another content creator that said his clothing has been in customs for 3 months. I don't know what's going on. It sucks. We got to figure something else out. 3 months in customs. You know how much bread? Anyway, we about to tap to a video. You know what I'm saying? We got our meeps together before we get into this. We need a good laugh, because right now, that when the manufacturer hit me up with that, I was hot. You feel me? But I ain't going to let it bother me. It's going to come when it's come. In the meantime, we're going to keep on moving and grooving. Straight like that. Let's go ahead and tap on and see what's going on with Uber. Like, I got my eatery. Like, stop getting Uber.
You alright?
Yo, Pops, come down here.
What happened?
Oh, Pops?
She was supposed to give my Uber Eats. Look, it says delivered. You know how Uber Eats works?
Yeah.
Homie on a bike!
She says I need to confirm the Uber Eats on the phone. I don't need to do that. It said my order's here. Enjoy your order. I did not try to attack. You don't got to say stuff like that.
Just walk in the lobby. I have someone else coming. They'll come talk to her. Just walk up the stairs over there for now.
I'm at Park New Jersey. Some boy just tried to attack me over a meal, over a $50 meal.
How you doing, man?
I am at
Excuse me.
4625 Park Ave, Union City.
You're ignoring the officer.
Yes, doing my job, and somebody just tried to attack me.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Jalo Russ. Jahli. My last name is Russ. R-U-S-T.
Ma'am. I'm Officer Marquis. Would you call this, please?
Okay.
What's going on?
What's up? I'm here to do a delivery.
Okay.
Hold on. Hold the front door, okay? And then close it. You ain't got no bra on. You got gym shorts on. Hair ain't done. I don't know what this is on your irie. But, baby, if you show up with my Uber, I don't want it. Look, it look like you rolled out of bed, baby. Look like you rolled out of bed and say, how am I make some money today? Uber Eats. Baby, you can't show up to work anyway. It's a job regardless of what it is. You can't show up any which way you want to, especially when delivering people's food. I'm a visual person. If I see somebody come to my door with my food, I don't care if it's been stapled, tapled, or mapled. I'm going to think you tampered with it and probably took a little french fry out my bag. I'm just saying. I don't... Look at your short, bro. What are those?
Internet's not working. I asked him if he had Wi-Fi. He said no. I walked back outside to connect to the Wi-Fi. I connected to the Wi-Fi. I went back inside. He met me in the hallway. He's trying to attack me.
How you trying to attack?
Because he wants his food.
He's trying to snatch the bag and he's swinging his hand like this. I don't know what he's doing.
197.
I don't know why he's doing that. And I'm walking back down to the room.
Go for 197.
I'm already walking back down. I'm walking down.
Are you with the police driver? That's affirmative.
Right, I need the police.
I'm the police right here. I'm the police right here.
I need the police here that I caught for this delivery.
I'm right here,
Hello?
ma'am. I'm the cops right here.
Okay.
I'm the police.
That's fine.
Okay. So what happened to the breach delivery? Can I see the delivery, ma'am? Ma'am.
What is going on?
No, the problem is that you met me in the hallway.
Listen.
You're not.
Listen. Stop talking to me. Talk to me. All right. Can I see the delivery?
No, bitch.
Let me show
This
them
is what I'm telling you. This is what I'm telling you.
Oh yeah, I believe him 1,000%, and I take it back. She didn't wake up out the bed and say, "How can I go make some money today?" She woke up and said, "How am I gonna get me a free Millery today?" Uber Eats. That's all she's trying to do. She's trying to ignore the officer and say, "Can I see the bag?" Come on, that guy got to fight for his own food that he paid for. Y'all better stop Ubering. I'm telling y'all, get in there. I'm about to fry me some chicken today. I'm making my own food. I ain't got time for this mess, especially for something I paid for. I ain't going to jail over that.
This is what I'm telling you.
Ma'am, can I see the delivery, please?
No, you cannot. This is what I'm telling you.
I'm trying to figure this out.
Okay, I work for Uber.
Okay.
No, you cannot.
I work for Sea August Police.
Okay.
All right, I'm trying to figure this out.
Okay.
That's his order, right?
Okay. No, this is not
Did
his
you pay
order.
for it? Okay.
Back up from me.
All right.
What?
Back up from me.
All right.
But letting you know this now, I'll beat you dead out here.
Enough.
Do not play with me.
Enough.
I'll beat you dead out here, ho.
Enough.
Get out of my face.
Stop talking.
I know, but I'm gonna have to stop talking.
Relax.
It is enough.
Relax.
And I'm not playing with you.
Relax.
I'm not playing with
trying
you.
to figure this out, okay?
This is my last time playing with you, okay?
Okay.
Any other time it's gonna be that. Here you go.
This is his order?
Yeah, here you go.
All right.
You just said it wasn't his order.
Big ass
Shut up.
fake pumping with me. I'm not
Go
doing
put a
it.
bra on.
I'm
for
not
sure.
doing this. Get out my way.
Listen, you have ID on you?
Get out my way.
You have
Bro,
ID
that
on you?
fake faggot.
Listen.
Get out my way.
Wow.
197.
She really just rolled off on the police.
All right, be advised. The Uber Eats driver gave me his delivery and took off on her bike. She doesn't want to talk to me at all. Dark-skinned female on a bike heading down Million's Parkway.
Pull her over, ASAPery.
Can you swap over to PD1? You're still on OEM.
Unfortunately, she's heading down towards Mac.
4-3 and 4-5.
She thought she had a free meal on my boy. No, sir.
Going towards 10th Street. You get a attempt to make contact.
After leaving Osprey Cove East on a bicycle, the suspect evaded officers and continued to the TD Bank, moments before the situation escalated.
Roger, it's activating for You are not in trouble right now, but if you keep running, you will be obstructing my investigation and you'll be arrested.
27.
Stop right now. Okay. 4-3, I'm on 5th and Flanagan.
He said,
She's
okay.
still refusing to stop.
Right.
Was there an actual assault that occurred, or is this just verbal right now? We were advised that the party armed herself and threatened the other involved party. 197. The victim's claiming that she had a bike lock in her hand, which she did when I was talking to her.
Yeah, she did.
She threatened to hit him with it. Never got physical when they got verbal.
Dude, stop.
Do the pit maneuver on the bikery. I'm just saying.
4-3, I'm going to jump in now.
45. 197 is staying with that party at Osprey Cove. I'm heading over to the phone to get the threat with you with 43.
Back up from me.
Tackle.
4-3, she just
How you miss, officer? Pull the taser out. Taser. She fall off. Flapping like a fish type. Come on, man. How you let a homie on the bike get away?
Units backing them up. Step it up.
Step it up. Better not let her get away this time, sir.
What? Get out my face. I'm not arrested for
4-3, TD Bank.
Oh, she got the bike. She about to hit the officer.
They're coming up towards that corner.
I'm not playing with you. I'm not playing with you. Drop it. Drop it. What is wrong with you? I'm not playing with you.
Stop it, baby. What the hell's up in the morning? What's up? What's up with you? We need a what's up counter because it's like that word. It's like the we even on repeatery. She was trying to get her eatery. She's saying, what's up? Listen, we need a counter. Somebody get that counter out, okay? Her meeps are all the way off. She tried to get a free meal. It didn't work. Now she's talking about she about to assault the officer. She like, you know that's a threat, baby. Like if you get shot, if you get tasered, it's on you. Are you in a bank? You're in a bank. No, I think you're going to rob it. No, I got to get you. How? Uber, you just hire anybody. Everybody can't be an Uber either, driver or biker. Come on, man. Y'all see this? Y'all got to tighten up, baby. Y'all got to tighten up or y'all going to lose a whole lot. People going to start cooking every day at home and there's no more business for you. I'm just saying. DoorDash, Uber Eats, all that.
You better drop that.
No, I
Oh!
I don't give a fuck. Bye.
Come on. Come on with it.
Bye.
You're not going anywhere.
Bye. Bitch, get out of my way. Get out of my way.
Officer, pull the taser out. You get too close on the taser.
Out of my way.
She's behind the back. Are you kidding me?
Get out of my way. Bitch, get out.
Officer, what are we doing?
Let's go. What are you doing?
4-3, what's your exact?
Get the fuck. Get your ass off of me. What is you doing? Get your ass off of me.
Sometimes I be so disappointed in officers. You have tasers specifically for this reason. It don't got to be a dick type situation where you got to pull out the real thing. But this situation, I would have loved to see her get the zappery. Less yappery, more zappery is all I'm saying. That's our new catchphrase. Shirt's going to get made coming on the way. Less yappery, more zappery. I'm saying. I know y'all hear what I'm saying, bro. This is specifically for this situation. She's in a bank. She tried to run in the back door with the tellers. You know what I'm saying? Like, officer, you just want to scrap with her, taser, and then put her in the chokehold. Come on, man. Oh, what was that? Was that the wickery? What is that? Oh, it's a shirt.
Six. They're inside?
Dude, this is an easy one. Stop.
Officer. Oh, wait.
I have to play with you.
I'm not playing off of me.
Officer.
Right now.
Officer.
She hit me. I swear to fuck you, bitch. Yeah, get off of me.
Oh. Oh.
Get him off of me. No, get him off of me. Get him off of me.
Get a what?
No, get him off of me.
If y'all don't.
Get him off of me.
Listen, relax.
Get the fuck off of me.
21, we're going to be clear for one, bro. You want that over there?
Why should I get your name? I'm not gonna stab you out.
I mean, a double lock.
No, I ain't gonna double lock.
Oh, she did lose a wiggery. She didn't have braids on.
No, I'm not listening to nothing.
Yo, Jesus, I got it. Relax. Make sure he's okay.
Jesus!
Please.
Jesus!
Both gonna sue you.
Ma'am, what's your name?
We both gonna sue you.
What's your name?
We both gonna sue you.
What is your name?
Who is we? She talking about we. That means she see things we don't see.
Yeah, we both gonna sue you. It don't matter to me. Bye.
I get in there. He's like, she hit me. He's like, relax. Tossed the bike lock on him, so I tackled her. And he was gushing from his ear.
Oh, she hit him with the bike lock?
Yeah. We cracked him in the head, bro.
No, I'm gonna stab him the fuck up. I'm gonna shoot him in his face.
What's your name? I'm Officer Heron with the Chicago Police Department. What's your
My name is Jalo Russ. I'm doing an Uber delivery.
Okay, what
Somebody tried to attack me in the hallway.
What happened, though? That's what we tried.
Nothing happened for nobody to be chasing me down talking about I'm under arrest. Nothing happened.
We were trying to talk to you.
No, he talking about nothing.
Did you throw a bike lock on my partner's head?
He's caution from his.
I don't care.
All right.
I mean, it's not a game to me.
I
don't care. And I'm taking every last cent.
The 23-year-old female was charged with aggravated assault against Leo, resisting arrest by flight, resisting arrest by force, receiving stolen property, criminal mischief, 2 counts of unlawful possession of a weapon, aggravated assault with a deadly weapon, terroristic threats, obstructing, and burglary.
Yikes! I'm disappointed in the officer. I'm disappointed in do I have a partner? I don't know. And I saw another bike coming, but if that's my partner, I don't want you no more. If you're going to be a police officer, you... Come on, bro. You got a taser on the side of your hip, and you let a girl knock you in your head with a bike lock? With a bike... You see what she did? She threw that thing like the... Yam! You know what I'm saying? Where they... Cracked him wide openly, okay? And she don't care. She don't care. It should have never happened. Should have never happened. I ain't gonna lie. I'm big disappointed in the officer. If anybody needed the taser, and taser, it was her. I promise you. Tell me I'm lying. If I'm lying, I'm flying. She needed that. Put her in the back of the car. I'm still gonna taser you, baby, because I'm gonna get you back from my partner over here. You ain't getting away scot-free with some charges. You gonna feel this in the heart.